Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about inserting the date and time onto your Microsoft PowerPoint slides. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your presentation, select the Insert tab, and then above text, select where it says date and time. And then you can go ahead and select whatever you want to add depending on your time format and select OK. And that's all you have to do. If you want to have it actually appear on the bottom of the slide, you can again select the Insert tab. And this time you're going to select where it says Header and Footer. And where it says Include on Slide, you want to check mark date and time and then update automatically. Select the date and time preference of how you want it displayed, as well as the slide number if you want to have that check marked. Otherwise, you can uncheck that and then select apply just for this slide or apply to all to make it across the entire PowerPoint presentation. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.